Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed with work and wanting to make the most out of the last days of 2025? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to explore the top AI tools that will boost your productivity and help you achieve your goals. As we approach the end of the year, it's essential to reflect on our accomplishments and think about how we can improve our workflow. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, there are numerous tools available that can help us work smarter, not harder. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 AI tools that you can start using today to increase your productivity. Tool number 1, ChatGPT **. Recently launched by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you with tasks such as writing, proofreading, and even coding. This AI tool uses natural language processing to understand your requests and provide accurate responses. Whether you're a writer, marketer, or developer, ChatGPT can save you a significant amount of time and effort. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content such as blog posts, social media posts, or even entire books. The AI tool can also help you with research, providing you with relevant information and data on a particular topic. With ChatGPT, you can streamline your content creation process and focus on more strategic tasks. Tool number 2. Notion Notion is an all-in-one workspace that uses AI to help you organize your tasks, projects, and notes. This tool is perfect for individuals who struggle with staying organized and focused. With Notion, you can create customized templates, set reminders, and collaborate with team members. Notion's AI-powered features include a task management system that suggests deadlines and priorities based on your habits and preferences. The tool also includes a note-taking feature that uses natural language processing to summarize your notes and provide relevant suggestions. Tool number 3. Calendly Calendly is a scheduling tool that uses AI to help you manage your meetings and appointments. This tool is perfect for individuals who struggle with finding the perfect time to meet with clients, colleagues, or partners. With Calendly, you can create customized scheduling links that allow others to book meetings with you based on your availability. Calendly's AI-powered features include a scheduling algorithm that suggests the best times for meetings based on your schedule and preferences. The tool also includes a reminder system that sends notifications to attendees and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Tool number 4, Otter.ai Otter.ai is a transcription tool that uses AI to help you transcribe audio and video recordings. This tool is perfect for individuals who struggle with taking notes during meetings or lectures. With Otter.ai, you can record conversations and have them transcribed in real time. Otter.ai's AI-powered features include a speech recognition algorithm that can identify speakers, keywords, and topics. The tool also includes a summary feature that provides a concise overview of the conversation. Tool number 5, Ahrefs Ahrefs is an SEO tool that uses AI to help you optimize your website and content for search engines. This tool is perfect for individuals who struggle with understanding their website's performance and improving their search engine rankings. With Ahrefs, you can analyze your website's backlinks, keywords, and content. AF's AI-powered features include a keyword research algorithm that suggests relevant keywords and topics based on your content and competitors. The tool also includes a content analysis feature that provides recommendations for improving your website's content and structure. In conclusion, these top 5 AI tools can help you boost your productivity and achieve your goals. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can streamline your workflow, improve your focus, and increase your efficiency. So why not give these tools a try and see the impact they can have on your work? Remember, the key to productivity is to work smarter, not harder. With the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So go ahead, take the first step, and start using these AI tools today.